What's up? Today's video is not about my MT07. I just don't want to show you what it is about yet. So before I show you what is taking up my garage space right now, besides motorcycles and bunnies, I'll just tell you, not a little story, but kind of the background behind what I got. I hope I just didn't give it away, god damn it. So I've wanted this vehicle ever since my buddy Mike got one back in high school. It was his first car. It was super expensive back then, and they're still expensive now because they hold their value so well. Hint, hint. And it's a extremely great platform for like off-road adventure type builds, crawler builds, whatever, whatever you want to do with them, they're good at it. And I came across a deal on OfferUp, and I have never had the platform yet. I've had a lot of cars, and this is just one that I've never found one for a good price and had the money at the time, and the two things just never came together since high school, which is now about 10 years ago I graduated. So yeah, I saw it on OfferUp and decided to go ahead and pull the trigger on it. So yeah, I'll just show you. So yeah, it's maybe nothing crazy to you guys, but I've wanted one of these for an extremely long time. Like I said, my buddy's first car. So what was that? 10 years ago I graduated, 2 years prior to that. So probably 12 years. I've wanted a 01 to 04 Toyota Tacoma 4x4. His was a crew cab. This is an extra cab. I actually like the extra cab look better, so that worked out. So funny story, kind of cool story. I got this from the original owner who bought it off the showroom floor. It is a 2002, and it has the last time the title was written, all the odometer stuff that was done in 2002. So it's a super old looking title, which was cool. Older Asian dude, and he owned it and used it for his restaurant as like a little work truck. So it was definitely a workhorse, but it doesn't look like it went through anything crazy. He just kind of used it to haul like foods around and stuff, and just get them to and from work. It is super dirty. As you can see, the paint's not messed up at all. It does have some small dings and scratches, but that's all dirt. I don't know when the last time this thing has been washed, but he actually did take decent care of it, maintenance-wise, for the most part. It's weird because he did like the timing belt and water pump, but I can see that the valve cover gaskets have been leaking pretty bad for a while. But he did show me proof of the major repairs that were done, so it's just weird that he didn't address that, but whatever, I'm not mad. He was super cool. It does have 260,000 miles, but these trucks are getting old, so it's getting kind of rare to find one that's not close to at least 200,000 miles these days. And even these, like over 200,000 mile examples, there's still, at least in the Pacific Northwest, people are asking like 8 grand, 9 grand, even 10 grand, and they're selling. That's why they keep listing them at those prices, because people just want them. These are iconic trucks, in my opinion, so they hold their value really well. I got this one for, he was asking 4,800. I got it for 4,600. Clean title, 260,000 miles, 4x4. So why don't we take a little look? So yeah, it's super dirty. That's not messed up paint. That's just how dirty it is. I bought it 2 days ago. I just haven't had the time to pull it out and clean it, and because I enjoy doing that, so I don't want to like rush cleaning it and working on it. That's something I enjoy, so I don't want to like go home after work super late and be in like a bad or tired mood when I'm doing it. So we'll get to that this weekend. I'll probably make a video. You can look at the bed. How's the OEM bed liner? tailgate. That's looks like he dropped something on it and then took some paint off and then it rusted, but it's not rusted through, so I'll probably just rub it out a little bit and then put some factory matched paint on there. Or just get a new tailgate if I can find one in better condition, but I'm not too worried about it, honestly. So that's the OEM mud flaps. Everything is stock on the truck, although he did put LED headlight bulbs in it and never adjusted the headlights down, so I was blinding everyone coming home. Felt like an asshole, so I'm gonna have to do that. Let's go inside. So it's about what you'd expect for a work truck that's been used for 18 years now. But it runs and drives really well. Nothing too major that needs to be done to it. That is like my favorite truck gauge layout. I love the white. That was like one of the things I always remembered about the 01 to 04 Tacomas was the white overlays on the gauge clusters. I love that. It is 4-wheel drive. It's the it's push button. So you push that button and it just engages. It's like an E engagement, I guess, all-wheel drive. And then it's always in high, so when you press the button you're in 4 high, and then you can do low 4 if needed, and then neutral, obviously. Automatic, which is what I wanted. I do not like manual off-road vehicles. It's just annoying to me. But yeah, like everything is stock stereo. He did put LED lights in here too, not there, but there. So I'm gonna put LEDs in there to match, and then I'll probably be doing probably a single den, maybe a double den if I can find a decent one that has like USB and Bluetooth, and I'll probably put new speakers in here too. But yeah, you guys have seen Tacomas, so pretty straightforward. I'll be honest, I have already ordered like some expensive, crucial ass parts for it. I am gonna be trying to stuff 35s on here, so I ordered some Federal Corasia MTs, 315 75 16s. And then I ordered some D windows, but their alloy is not steel because I hate how heavy steel wheels are. It just makes the ride feel like shit. And then I also got a Toy Tech Bilstein full lift kit, 3-inch lift kit. So all those are on the way. Not sure how I'm gonna be putting those in. It's different with a truck because there's so much suspension travel and the wheels and tires will be so big. I'm not sure if I can get a jack that high. I might have to go to Harbor Freight and see like if they have heavy duty jacks or how I can get this far enough off the ground without an actual lift to be able to put the lift in and put the wheels and tires on myself. I really don't want to pay to have someone do it. So we'll see about that. So yeah, this is gonna be the new, well, one of the new builds for the channel. There's also another new daily sitting outside. It's the A3, the Audi A3 replacement, because I will be selling the A3 because I don't want a payment anymore. The one sitting outside is an E60 545i. Let me open the garage really quick so you can see it. So yeah, A3 is getting sold. That will be the replacement daily. It's a 545i with a V8 automatic transmission. Sorry, I'm gonna let the garage shut for a second because it's so loud. Yep, so that'll be the new daily out there. It's super clean. It is a rebuilt title, so there are a couple panels I can tell that were resprayed crappily. So I found someone who's parting out another Titan Silver E60. I'm gonna get all the replacement panels just to match the factory paint. And it has under 100,000 miles. It does need a bit of work. It leaks a decent amount of oil, and I might have to do the mechatronics sleeves and solenoids because it is shifting a little weird, but I'll get to that at some point. I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep driving the Audi for a little bit, and then once I get some work done on the Tacoma and get enough work done on the E60 to where I feel like it's ready to be daily driven a couple hours a day, then I'll get rid of the A3, but we're just gonna keep all the vehicles now and until we get to that point. So just wanted to make this video. I didn't think it was gonna be this long, but I figured you guys would like to see what I'm working on now. I'll make an update on the X5 shortly. It won't be a very long update, just kind of letting you know what happened to it. Probably won't be seeing it on the channel. I am still doing the Gambler, but yeah, I'll make a separate video on that so you don't drag this one out too much longer. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm not sure if any of the parts are gonna get here this weekend, but regardless, I'll make a video this weekend of just me cleaning it because it is super dirty right now. And it's always fun making those videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.